Hello everyone. Welcome to our presentation on EcoGather, an app which helps households sell dried leaves to businesses for composting and other green uses. My name is Saurabh and today I'm joined with Arya from Team EcoGather.
To start, let's look at the current problem. Dried leaves pile up in streets, gardens, and near homes. Many people burn them or throw them away, which causes air pollution and wastes a valuable resource. Our survey showed that many households would prefer an easy pickup service instead of burning or manually carrying leaves to disposal points.
EcoGather solves this by connecting two groups: customers who want to sell dried leaves and businesses who need bulk dried leaves. The app makes the entire process smooth, convenient, and eco friendly. Let's walk through the app's key features.
First, the app has a login screen with two clear paths: customer login and business login. Each login leads to a separate role specific homepage. On the customer homepage, users can enter the number of bags of dried leaves they want to sell, provide the pickup location using address or map pin, select a date and time, view scheduled pickups and past records, receive notifications for pickup confirmations, pickup in progress, and completion.
The customer sign up is simple: phone numbers, address, and basic details. We designed it to be quick so anyone can schedule a pickup in seconds. On the business homepage, businesses can post requests for dried leaves by specifying quantity and preferred delivery windows, view availability from nearby customer pickups and EcoGather collection centers. Ask EcoGather to initiate drop off from the collection center to their business location.
This logistics flow works like this. A customer schedules a pickup. EcoGather assigns the pickup to a collection team. The leaves go to a local collection center. A business requests bulk leaves via the app. EcoGather schedules and completes the drop off to the business.
Additional features that can be included: pickup and delivery history for records, rating and feedback for quality improvement, grouped community pickups to reduce transport emissions.
We created the UI using MIT App Inventor and created a simple backend for notifications and scheduling. EcoGather helps reduce dry leaf burning, provides an income to households, and provides sustainable raw materials to businesses. Thank you.